Hello folks, Gino here with another fine motorcycle for sale, brought to you by American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. This is a 2007 Harley-Davidson FXDL. That's a Dyna Lowrider. Really sweet bike. Handles very nicely. Paint looks real good. It's got a few extras on it we'll go over right quick. Looks like up here at the top it's got a relief on the throttle there. This other grip looks like it's maybe a heated hand grip. The bike's got 20,226 miles on it. It's got the 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission. It's like Cobra pipes on it. Got these really cool looking aftermarket passenger foot pegs, like a forward mount type of a foot peg for the passenger. And it's got custom front pegs as well. This bike comes with forward mount controls. Very comfortable, very good handling bike. Back tires, like it is brand new. It's still got the little knobs on it. All the chrome looks good, paint looks good. Got an engine guard on the front there. Very sweet ride. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Oh, turn it on. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so getting this one to you won't be a problem at all. Find out more about this bike by visiting our website at www.sellharleys.com or call toll-free 1-888-400-1151. Talk to any of our sales staff, they'd be glad to help you. This is Gino, thanks for looking.